to get fiscally fit. Tony Hansmann is here to help us stop pulling our hair out when we check the Wall Street every 2 seconds. We have a couple questions from viewers here. I want to get to this first one because I think a lot of people can relate to this. Okay. They're looking at the headlines in the news. They're reading the newspapers. A lot of news about Wall Street. Should we worry about it or not?
Yes and no. The media, is that a good answer?
Yeah.
The media is everywhere. You know, when people see that the market tank 400, 500, 600 points in a single day,
they
panic a little bit.
Right.
But I think these guys, the average investor, they have the 101 down. Hey, we're trying to buy low, sell high, have a diversified portfolio, but invest for the long run. So when you have a month like August, where it's a roller coaster ride, you know, there's a little hand holding going on during that time. So we're trying to teach investors about standard deviation, volatility, find a portfolio that meets your risk tolerance and stick with it. But you know, Tom, in the last couple of years, we have seen so many people think that they're okay, but they're taking a lot of unnecessary risk that they don't need to.
Really? Okay. You just can't predict what the market's going to do. You know I'm invested in Apple.
Yes, you like Apple.
Steve Jobs resigned. I thought, oh, it's going to tank. It goes up the next day. How does that happen? Oh, well, that's another question for another day.
I'll bring the crystal ball next time.
Thank you. Thank you. Here's another question about gold. You're saying you're hearing a lot of questions about gold. Is it too high to buy right now?
Well, you know, whatever the hot topic is what people are always asking about. And I would say there's a couple different types of investors. The guy who's doing the day-to-day type trading. And to that guy, I would say, separate gold from stocks, meaning that gold has intrinsic value. It's going to hold its value for a long time, and it's rare. Unlike money, where someone can go down to the basement, turn on the printing press, and print it like it's going out of style. Right? So the guy who's got the core portfolio, that guy who's saving for retirement every single day, doing a good job, he's most likely already got gold in the portfolio. So don't double down the bet. So if you have excess money, go buy as much gold as you want, but don't do it in your core portfolio plan.
Okay. I'm also thinking that, you know, the Hogs, the line on the Hogs game is 40 points right now. I'm thinking go to Vegas and put it all on red. Razorback red. What's your prediction?
I like Razorback red. I'll go 58-6 Razorback.
But we do not condone betting, gambling on this show. We're just saying. That's an option if you live in Vegas. All right. Thank you very much, Tony. Really appreciate you.